Hi, greetings everyone. My name is Onuorah. I am a relationship therapist based in Anambra State, Nigeria. Today, I will be teaching you how to make someone fall in love with you. Do you understand me? Yes, oftentimes you have been the one falling in love with people over and over again. Sometimes, some of them don't even love you in return, right? Worry no more. I will take you step by step on how to make someone fall in love with you. Now, the question is, have you fallen in love with someone? Do you have a crush? Are you crushing on one particular person? Is there anyone you want to fall in love with? Is there anyone you want attention from? If there is someone you want to fall in love with you, this video is for you. If there is someone you want to get married to and they are not loving you, you are tired of giving them signs to love you, you're tired of telling them how much you care about them, this video is for you. Okay? But before I proceed, I want to encourage you, if this is the first time you're coming across my video, do well to subscribe, because it will be able and easy for you to see more of my videos. And sometimes I go live. I hold live streams here on this channel. I post shorts. So you can even click on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you when next I post a new video. Okay? Yeah, I'm here to tell you the truth, nothing but the truth. Okay? Once you follow it step by step, it may work for you. It has worked for me, it has worked for so many persons, and it may work for you. Alright? Now, let's do a practical analysis of how to make someone fall in love with you. Can we use you and I for an example? Can we analyze you and I? Okay. So if your crush, the person you're crushing on, is living in your neighborhood, the person is living beside you in a different state, a different country, a different province, there is no problem at all. There's no limitation at all. Provided you follow this step by step of what I'm going to tell you now, you got no problem. Okay? Now, let's assume I am the person you want me to fall in love with you. Okay? And you've been crushing on me for so long, or you've been telling me for so long that you love me or how much you love me, and I have not been able to understand how much you love me. Step one of making someone to fall in love with you. One, everyone likes a neat person. Okay? Make sure you are always neat at all times. I mean, this is the first thing you need to do for yourself. And secondly, if you have a crush, once you see yourself around your crush, talk less. Alright? Talk less. Every gender doesn't like people who talk too much. If you talk too much, like you talk like a parrot, you talk a lot, you say a lot at a time, people will get so irritated and easily irritated with you. Even if they love you, they may be like, oh my God, he talks too much. Oh my goodness, she talks too much. Okay? Whenever you see yourself around your crush, talk less. Don't talk too much. Okay? Now, you should understand, and the most important step and measure you should understand is body language. Okay? It is better to cut eye for them. It is better to stare at them. It is better to wave at them sometimes. It is better to get close, say something very small, and then walk away. Okay? When you approach me, for instance, you're crushing on me, and then you get close to me, and you be like, "Hi, my name is so so so." I'll answer you. I'll say, "It's a nice meeting you. Hope to see you again." Just leave. Okay? Don't say one thing. Don't say too much. Just say this short thing and leave. Okay? Then you have to monitor the person. Make plans of seeing a person again. Okay? Make it appear as if you coincidentally run across that person oftentimes. Then if you know that I normally come to shop in this particular mall, then you have to watch me closely. Find out the days I normally come there, and then on another occasion, you can pretend to have run into me again. Oh, you mean this again? Seriously? Then the second time you can ask for our contact or his contact. No matter your gender, there's no problem. At this point, you can ask for each other's contact. Okay? He thought it's a coincidence, you thought it's a coincidence, or you make them think it's a coincidence, but you planned it. Alright? Now, when you get your numbers, do not go straight to the point and tell them, oh, I love you, I want to date you, this, that. Don't do that. All right. So when you get their contact, just reach out to them for the first time. Hello, this is me. You say your name. They'll be like, hi. All right. That's it. Okay, that's it. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Then give them some time to expect your call or expect your shots. Okay. Then don't give them too much long time. 24 hours, 48 hours. Okay, 3 days. You can reach out to them. Hi, how are you? It's a pleasure meeting you the other day. I'm happy I have your contacts. How was the day? They say, fine, I'm good. They are expecting you to say something. Don't even say anything. Talk less. But I do this in three different occasions and then book a date with them. Hi, can we hang out? Can I take you out? At least can I see you officially? And they will say yes. Yeah, they may definitely say yes. And then you take them out. And then on the first outing, don't talk too much. Don't say everything in one day. Oh yes, you love them. We know you love them. Don't say it yet. Okay, we know you love them. It's good to put them in suspense. Let them expect what you want to do with them. Let them think of what, expect or imagine what you want from them. Yeah, allow people to fall in love with you. Okay, you've fallen in love with them. Now it's time for them to fall in love with you. You need to allow them fall in love with you. Okay, don't pace them. All right, don't say everything in one day. Then allow them to grow into you and allow them to expect to hear that from you before you say it. Don't say it before they expect it. Yeah, we know you love them. Don't say it yet. Allow them to expect you telling them how much you love them before you can even say that. Okay? They have to expect and expect and expect again. Alright, after the first outing, make sure you are friendly enough, but don't talk too much. Let your eyes do the talking. Okay? Oftentimes stare at them, communicate to them through your eyes. Did you know that your eyes are very communicating too? Your eye can speak emotionally more than your lips can? Yes. When you go on a date with him or her for the first time, talk with your eyes. Don't say too much with your lips. Okay? Whenever you feel like saying I love you, you can stare at them romantically, they understand. Alright? Then when they expect you to say I love you, you don't say it. You hold on. Alright? Whenever you feel like it, you show it with your body language, your eye, your facial expression. Raise your emotions for them to see your heart. You know, people can actually see your heart. Raise your emotions so high that they can read through your mind, they can see your heart. You can talk to them through your eyes. When you want to say I love you, tell them you love them with your eyes. Good eye contact at the right time. Alright? After a little smile, there will be a pause. There's always a pause after a little smile or a little laugh out. When she laughs out loud, there's gonna be a pause after the laugh, and then you can come in with eye contact, emotional eye contact, and do this staring for a long time. Don't just look and cut it. Okay, when you look, they are gonna look at you back, and as they're looking at you back, they are expecting to hear something from you. Okay, and then when they expect and expect and expect, and nothing is forthcoming, you can now take a deep breath. You can breathe in, breathe out. Check your phone as if you want to say type something. You aren't typing anything, but you just want them to keep thinking about your next action. Okay, and then after the eye contact, after the facial expression, the next thing should be how do you do? How are you doing? You good? Remember this always. Okay, you've let them understand how much you love them for not saying anything. You haven't said anything, but you've told them how much you love them. And when they are imagining what you have in mind or what you're about to tell them, just come up with this question: are you good? Are you okay? Is everything alright? And they are definitely gonna say yes. You know, after this first date, do you know what? They are gonna think about you all through the night, all through the day. Before you know it, they start calling you. Yeah, before you know it, she will start calling you, he will start calling you. Okay? Do not always be in a hurry to say I love you, I miss you, I do this. It hurts some people. Okay? Some people even get irritated by hearing how much you love them every day. Alright? So I encourage you to always do the eye contact, do the facial expression, body language more than your lips can. And now, she has fallen in love with you, right? He has fallen in love with you, right? Perfect. Now, it is time for you to tell them, oh, you know I love you? You can even come like, guess what? But make sure you don't say it on the phone. Do not say this on the phone. Okay? Maybe when next you're going out with her, in the next date, on the second time meeting, you can now tell them you love them. But don't say too much. And make sure this I love you comes after an eye contact, after body language, after facial expression, after emotional tense enhancement. Alright? You can tell them you love them. And don't say too much at a time. Don't say a lot. I love you. I want to be with you. That's it. That's it. You remember this? Just tell them you love them and you want to be with them. That's all. Don't say too much. Okay? So that they can be able to remember what you told them. When you say too much, they forget a lot of things you've said. Just say a little at a time. And then give them time to think about what you told them. Give them time to analyze how they met you. Give them time to evolve in their world of loving you. And you're good to go. Okay? And I want to say a big congratulations because I know that this time around you've got someone who loves you so dearly. Alright? See you in my next video. Do not forget to share this video to your family and friends. You can even invite them to like this channel and follow this channel. Okay? They can subscribe, they can like, they can share as well. Love you. Bye.